In the not-too-distant future, the world had become obsessed with producing the perfect college applicant. The competition was fierce, and only the most well-rounded and highly skilled students were accepted into the top universities. Our protagonist, Alex, was the high school senior who had always been driven to succeed. She had taken advanced classes in every subject, excelled in sports, played in the school orchestra, and volunteered at a local animal shelter. She had also studied extensively for the SAT and ACT, determined to get the highest scores possible. One day, Alex received an invitation to attend a special college preparatory program for high-achieving students. The program promised to provide her with the skills and knowledge she needed to stand out in the college application process. Excited by the opportunity, Alex accepted the invitation and arrived at the program's campus, a sprawling estate surrounded by lush greenery and state-of-the-art facilities. She was greeted by the program's director, a charismatic and intelligent woman named Dr. Maria Rodriguez. Dr. Rodriguez explained that the program was designed to help students like Alex become super applicants, individuals who had mastered not only academic subjects, but also the skills needed to succeed in college and beyond. These skills included leadership, teamwork, communication, and problem-solving. Over the next few weeks, Alex underwent intensive training in all of these areas. She worked with other students from around the world, forming close bonds and learning from one another's experiences. She also had access to top professors and industry experts who provided guidance and mentorship. As the program came to a close, Alex felt confident and prepared for the college application process. She had learned so much about herself and her abilities, and she knew that she was ready to take on whatever challenges lay ahead. But just as she was about to leave the program, Dr. Rodriguez approached her with an unexpected offer. "Alex," she said, "we believe you have the potential to be a super applicant. We'd like to offer you a full scholarship to our college, provided you agree to become a mentor for future classes of students." Alex was taken aback, but ultimately accepted the offer. She knew that this was an opportunity she couldn't pass up, not just for herself, but for all the other students who would follow in her footsteps. And so, she embarked on a new journey, one that would shape her future and help her make a real difference in the world. What was the main reason why Alex was invited to attend a college preparatory program? The main reason why Alex was invited to attend the college preparatory program was because she was a high-achieving student who had excelled in various subjects, sports, and extracurricular activities. What was the purpose of the college preparatory program according to Dr. Rodriguez? According to Dr. Rodriguez, the purpose of the college preparatory program was to help students like Alex become super applicants, individuals who had mastered not only academic subjects, but also the skills needed to succeed in college and beyond. What skills did the program aim to teach the students? The program aimed to teach the students leadership, teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skills. How did Alex feel about the offer made by Dr. Rodriguez at the end of the program? Alex was taken aback, but ultimately accepted the offer of a full scholarship to the college and became a mentor for future classes of students because she knew it was an opportunity she couldn't pass up. What was Alex's ultimate goal according to the last sentence of the context? According to the last sentence of the context, Alex's ultimate goal was to make a real difference in the world through her education and mentorship.